Hey, good morning. This is Edgar Pichel and Triple LLC. I just want to give you guys a quick update on some of my hives here. So hives, well, that's hive 3, and this was a part of hive 3. That's the top part that was on it. I had to take it off and kind of do a somewhat of a split on it. These two hives are just way too aggressive, so I got to get them off my property. And that's what I'm gonna be doing with those today. This one here is my queenless hive. I actually introduced a queen into it 2 days ago. So hopefully here in a few days they'll accept her and let her go. We will see. Looks like bees are getting out through this crack right here or trying to get in. I don't know, it's a little hard to tell. But yeah, so I'm going to end up moving these out to Vail. It's an hour drive from here, but it's got to be done. And then this one I added this box hoping that they'd move from the top to the bottom. So far it don't look like they have. And that's alright, so we got the hive loaded up already when we're going to bring them to. It's just my other camera died and we had some mistakes where they cracked open and stuff, but we're out here on the 30 acres and they're going to go out there somewhere. I'll see if I can point out better. So it's going to be a little bit of a hike because there's some cattle trails that we might be able to take all the way over there. But yeah, there's a residence just on the other side of these trees here that they use as a vacation home, so we're trying to get as far away from there as possible. But we're gonna start our hike over there. I'm hoping it's no more than a quarter of a mile, half a mile at the most, hopefully, but I'll find out and I'll let you guys know. Yeah. All right, so we have them loaded up on our dolly and we're gonna start our little trek. I hear it's nice because we got a lot of mesquite, so hopefully we'll get some good mesquite honey out of them. And it looks like this one slid over a little bit. Let me fix that real quick. Alright, so I don't know how good you can see it, but there's our Fudo's truck right there. You can tell these bees are not happy. We have them set up right here. The house is over there. And they're not really happy with this here. Do I take the camera? What, are you getting stung?
No, I got poked by the cactus.
Go down there, we're getting ready to leave. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these girls free. And I'm going to leave their entrance closed up like that just so they don't have too much ways of getting out. This one here the same way. So that way they don't all come out at once and try to attack us. But I'm going to... So that's it for this one here. I'll see how far it is we walk and I'll let you guys know. Here I am at the residence and I got gloves on still because I got a few bees buzzing around me. So I'm trying to see if I can't. Where's the pit? There it is. Hives are right there. So it was quite a hike to get out there to put them out there, but plenty of Palo Verde and nobody around. So that's good for an Africanized hive.